Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Technology Deep Dive, covering market moves in tech, communications, and healthcare indexes, stocks, and ETFs. Today we will take a closer look at the latest trends and market shifts impacting these sectors. I'm your host, Ira Roth. Let's dive in. The U.S. tech sector experienced a notable decline. The Nasdaq 100 fell sharply on a close down, with a price of $19,430.95, losing 770.41 points. The Nasdaq Composite Index dropped even further, closing at 17,468.32, off by 727.89 points. The technology sector closed at 4,076.80, down 184.90 points, marking 4 consecutive down days. Market breadth in the tech sector shows pronounced declines. The Nasdaq 100 noted more declines than advances, with one-day declines at 66. The Nasdaq Composite Index saw a substantial imbalance with 2,525 stocks declining, against just 653 advancing. Communication and healthcare sectors reflected similar downtrends. Analyzing the total and daily returns, the Nasdaq 100 posted a weekly drop of 3.81%. Both the Nasdaq Composite Index and technology sector experienced declines, with month-to-date decreases of 7.32% and 7.58% respectively, continuing their strong negative trends. Looking at the best performers, Cognizant Technology Solutions increased by 0.77 to close at 84, displaying a mixed positive trend. Meanwhile, CDW gained 1.14 points, closing at 169.51, amidst a strong negative trend. Despite declines, these stocks showed relative strength. In returns, Cognizant Technology Solutions witnessed a positive year-to-date total return of 9.23%. Conversely, CDW reflected annual declines. Although showing short-term gains, their longer-term returns highlight ongoing volatility in tech stocks. Among the worst performers, MicroStrategy dropped 47.91 to 239.27, continuing a strong negative trend. AppLovin and Microchip Technology also experienced significant declines of 11.9% and 10.5%, respectively. This negative momentum marked a challenging day for these stocks. Examining returns, MicroStrategy registered substantial weekly declines at 16.68%. AppLovin and Microchip Technology also struggled, showing large monthly downturns. These results underscore the intensified negative trends in the worst-performing tech stocks. Nasdaq-related ETFs showed significant weakness today. QQQ and Vanguard Information Technology both declined over 3.8%, showing strong negative trends with ongoing volatility. VanEck Semiconductor exhibited a very strong negative trend, dropping 4.6%. ProShares 3X bullish QQQ fell 11.2%, while ProShares 3X bearish QQQ gained 11.3%. Returns analysis shows substantial month-to-date declines across these ETFs. Vanguard Information Technology leads the losses with an 8.1% month-to-date decline. ProShares 3X bullish QQQ has dropped over 20% MTD, while its inverse counterpart, ProShares 3X bearish QQQ, has gained 22.2%.
Looking at stocks in tech industries, I'm Sally Short. Amazon closed at 194.54, dropping by 4.71, marking 3 consecutive days of declines. Similarly, Microsoft ended 13.15 lower at 380.16, reaching a one-year low close. Both display strong downward trends, with volatility increasing. Focusing on performance returns for tech stocks, Alphabet is down with a year-to-date loss of 11.88%. Similarly, Apple posted a year-to-date decline of 9.16%. In contrast, Meta Platforms shows slight resilience with a modest year-to-date gain of 2.13%. In the semiconductor scene, SmartChem closed up at 2.24, showing a slight recovery of 2.2%, defying its overall strong negative trend. Meanwhile, MCore remains remarkably stable, staying flat with no change in its 76-day-long trend. Analyzing returns, United Microelectronics recorded a strong 5.12% month-to-date increase, overcoming its mixed trend. On the flip side, Global Foundries saw a slight loss with a year-to-date decrease at 7.38%. In cloud computing, Citrix Systems demonstrates strength with a slight uptick, closing up for the second day consecutively, maintaining its very strong positive trend. Meanwhile, Fastly closes slightly down at 6.60 amid a strong negative trend. Reviewing returns, VMware shows no change for the month, while maintaining a notable year-to-date gain of 16.06%. On the other hand, Box faces minor monthly losses of 1.65% despite a positive year-to-date return. In AI and robotics, RTX steadily climbs, closing at 128.52, marking 2 days of gains with a strong positive trend. Meanwhile, Holysys Automation Technologies shows resilience by maintaining a very strong positive trend upwards. On returns, ABB posts a robust year-to-date increase of 22.59%, reflecting a very strong positive trend. In contrast, Cognex experiences a year-to-date decline of 6.19% amid a very strong negative trend. Among AI and robotics thematic ETFs, automation led gainers, rising 4.7% to 27.71 with a mixed positive trend. Robotics experienced the largest decline of 3.3% to 40.91, showing strong downward volatility and a negative trend. Looking at returns, Faraday Future posted the strongest week-to-date gain at 4.7%. AI and robotics showed the weakest performance, with a minus 4.2% week-to-date return and negative month-to-date metrics. In electric vehicle stocks, Faraday Future led with a 9.8% gain to 1.45. Nikola hit consecutive all-time lows, dropping to 0.18 with a very strong negative trend after 4 straight down days. Examining returns, Faraday Future posted a 6.6% week-to-date gain, though it remains down 40% year-to-date. Nikola showed significant weakness with an 85% year-to-date decline. In quantum computing stocks, Applied Materials fell 3.6% to 149.99, hitting a one-year low with a very strong negative trend. Honeywell showed strong upward volatility despite closing down 0.32% at 213.82. Looking at returns, Applied Materials showed the weakest performance with a minus 3.7% week-to-date decline. TE Connectivity remained positive year-to-date with a 3.6% gain despite recent weakness. In solar stocks, Array Technologies led gains, up 3.7% to 6.38. Enphase Energy rose 2.7% to 63.32, marking its 5th consecutive positive close despite a mixed negative trend. Examining returns, Array Technologies showed strength with a 20.8% month-to-date gain. Sonova Energy remained under pressure, down 85% year-to-date, despite today's modest 1.8% increase. Looking at thematic ETFs and technology, most funds experienced significant declines. iShares Exponential Technologies, ETF, and Global X Internet of Things. ETF led the downturn, falling 3.2% and 3.5% respectively, both showing strong negative trends with notable volatility. Performance metrics reveal challenging month-to-date returns. SPDR FactSet Innovative Technology ETF shows the steepest decline at minus 8.7% MTD. Year-to-date, First Trust Indices Innovative Transaction and Process ETF leads with a 5.1% gain, while others struggle to maintain positive territory.
And with that, we wrap up another end-of-day technology deep dive. I'm Ira Roth, along with my AI co-host, Sally Short. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.